If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Kraken, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received any emails from Kraken regarding your verification status. Sometimes, additional information or documents may be requested. Step 2. Log into your Kraken account. Access your Kraken account by entering your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the verification section to see your current status and any pending actions. Step 3. Submit required documents. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Review verification requirements. Double check that you have met all the necessary verification requirements for your account type. This may include identity verification, proof of residence, and other relevant information. Step 5. Contact Kraken support. If your verification remains pending after completing the above steps, reach out to Kraken's customer support for assistance. Provide them with your account details and any relevant information to expedite the process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status on your Kraken account efficiently. If issues persist, continuous communication with support will be key to finding a solution.